Hello guys, this is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today is the Wednesday, third day of the week, alright, okay. Alright, so yes, Hubert, thank you so much. And Flora and Mika, right, and also CK, 你好, Aiden. Sawadee krap, Kung Sid, Trinette, and Bradley, Fed. All right. So Roger, Riano, Leonard. All right. So thank you, Susanna. Yes, thank you so much. All right. Thank you for all the people coming in from all different channels. So yes, now we are coming back here on Wednesday today. Yeah, yesterday was a boring day. Yeah. All right. Yesterday we we have planned out our trades. So those that which did not break the support, then we are not supposed to trade. Those that come to the resistance and yet break the resistance, we also cannot trade, right? Until certain, I think at almost the second half to the end of second half, then we have something to trade. Okay, yeah, all right. So yes, okay. So today, reset our mind again and get ready for today's trading. All right. So yes, let's move into Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. I have just now I was doing some analysis. I was like, oh, okay, and it's today. Well, there may be something for us. Although the analysis took me some time. All right. So now let's see. For Aussie CAD yesterday, like I say, all right. We have meet up on the support, and then it's a retracement day, so probably it may not be as ideal, correct, to trade on Aussie CAD to sell. Yes, indeed, it become a retracement day, and until today, it's still moving back. Okay, it's still moving back. So all right, so today we are going to give Aussie CAD a miss. So let's wait for the right time for it to have a retracement back to the prevailing bear trend. Then we start selling. Okay, so not right now. Okay, so right now over here, let's see Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc. All right, and over here, this part here in Aussie franc. Okay, Aussie franc over here, it is now still moving towards the bull. So right now, still moving towards the bull. Well, I see that we are going more for a buy. No for selling, definitely. Okay, so over here, by looking at this right now, Aussie franc will be. Is it good to buy? Okay, so I would say that probably yes and no. Okay, because we are actually pretty near to the resistance area. Okay, so let's hang on for a while first, because selling and buying it has become a very tough decision. Okay, so tentatively I won't be touching it so much. Okay, so over here right now, let's take a look at Aussie yen. So Aussie is running very strongly. So right now Aussie is it's still going up. So right, is still going on the bull. So Aussie yen, all right, Aussie yen is still going on the bull side, and now we are going into bear zone very soon. We still have about, well, let's see, yeah, okay, what's wrong? Okay, and see, we still have quite a distance to go, huh? Okay, so tentatively, I think probably Aussie yen is still good for buying. Okay, still go for a bull. It's still good for buying, not for selling. All right, so Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, same. But Aussie Kiwi, Aussie yen you can still buy because you still have a good space to go. But for Aussie Kiwi, we are actually on the resistance area. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this Aussie Kiwi, all right, so it is not really very advisable for everyone to go for a selling now because it's in a bull trend. It is also not good for buying because we are on the resistance. All right, so I think Aussie Kiwi have to monitor first before we take action. All right, okay, so for Aussie dollar, yes, we are in the bear zone, but today is a retracement day, so it's very similar to the Aussie CAD. So yesterday, the Aussie dollar did not break the support, so it went back again. So with no chance to sell. So today is a retracement day already. So just give this a minute. So I'm not going to touch Aussie dollar for the rest of the day. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Yes, Euro Aussie. Yesterday I was talking about Euro Aussie, about this resistance over here. Excuse me. All right, so over here now, looking at this Euro Aussie, okay, today it still seems like going back into the bear trend. All right, so over here, let's take a look. We have meet up with the resistance over here. All right, so coming back here to sell. All right, so I think currently we are still in the bull zone. There's a lot of turbulence in there as well. So if we want to sell, I would say that we need a little bit patient. All right, we need a little bit of patience. Over here now is setting up for a new cycle to sell right now. Okay, so over here the support has no change, right? The support has no change. If the support has no change, it has given me a signal that it has already break the support over here. Okay, the support that has break over here. So over this part here, since the support has already break, okay, this is the support area. Now bring it down a little bit more accurately. Okay, so we have already break the support. So this support, okay, this support over here, it has already become a resistance. As we can see that this part here, it has been tested once. So I'm waiting for a new resistance that form below the support. Then I will start selling. All right. Okay, so let's wait maybe the next hour or so. All right, so then we will have a good selling. We'll have a good selling opportunity here. However, okay, we still need to be very careful. Okay, because we are still in the bull zone. Okay, we are still in the bull zone. All right, so tentatively Euro Aussie, I'm not going to put this into my watch list. Okay, so let's move on to EUROCAD. EUROCAD over here, we are in the bear zone, right? In the bear zone. However, we can see that yesterday it was been struggling, and it had the sellers and buyers did not make any decision yet to buy or sell in a direction. So currently, by looking at this, we are quite struggling. Okay, we are struggling. We are at a very struggling stage here. So for EUROCAD over here, I would advise everyone to stay away for a moment. All right, maybe second half of the day. EUROCAD maybe second half of the day, not now. All right. EUROPOUND. Once again, EUROPOUND, I'm going to stay away. All right, tentatively. All right, so let's go to EURO-YEN. EURO-YEN is very obvious that we are still going on the bull run. Okay, still on the bull run. So this bull run, definitely, is it good for buying? Right? I would say that yes, it's still good for buying, not for selling, definitely. But you see, there's a selling candle over here already, but it doesn't mean that it's a bad market. It doesn't mean that it's going to start the selling. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away with Euro-Yen. All right. Okay, how about Euro-Kiwi? Euro-Kiwi. Yes, let's take a look at Euro-Kiwi over here. Euro-Kiwi, okay, Euro-Kiwi. That Euro-Kiwi, I guess this is pretty good, okay, over here. So pretty good in a way that we have met up with the resistance. Okay, so now we have support over here. This is the previous support. After yesterday, the new support has set up. That means to say higher support, higher support, higher support. Okay, so if it can break this support, and likely we have another 50 pips to go. Okay, break this support first. Okay, let's break this support first. So over here, after it breaks the support, I would love to see one resistance below the support area, which is also below the purple line here. Okay, this purple line is a support movement. Okay, so I hope it will not respect the support movement like this. Okay, so I hope it will break the support. Then when it start to have a resistance below the support area, very likely it will fall below the purple line, and then it will start to sell. All right, so Euro-Kiwi, we can pay attention. All right, we can pay attention to this Euro-Kiwi. I guess it's pretty near already. All right, it's a bit of struggling there, but I see it's pretty near. There's an opportunity there. So Euro-Kiwi, okay, let's take. I'm going to put this into my watch list. All right, so over here, next to go Euro-Dollar. Right, Euro-Dollar. Euro-Dollar over here. Euro-Dollar, we are in the bear. Okay, but however, it hits into the support. Euro dollar, we still have quite a good space to go, huh? Okay, still quite a good space to go. So euro dollar today, I think we can give it a miss since it is having a retracement within the within the bear market. So over here, currently the resistance, okay, is up here. So today, if we are going to trade on euro dollar, it's going to be a retracement trading. So retracement trading, as you can see, is not easy and not very encouraged by me, okay, for people out there. So I'm going to give this a miss as well, okay. All right, so PAUD Aussie. Let's take a look at PAUD Aussie. Yes, PAUD Aussie here. Right, PAUD Aussie over here, looking good, where then after the retracement, it started to turn down to, as a sign, this is a sign of retesting the bull zone again. It's a sign of retesting the bull zone. So that means to say we are coming back to the bear. Since that's the case, I'm going to look out for a resistance. Okay, I'm going to look out for a resistance, okay, over here. And support, wow, this support has just break. Okay, there's a support level here, which has just break, and very good space. I guess this is going to be a very good space. Okay, so yeah, okay, so tentatively by looking at this over here, okay, yep, there's one support over here. So take note of the support here. All right, so once if PAUD Aussie it retraces upwards in the first half of the day, touches this resistance without breaking, then we will have a chance to sell. Let's say if there's a new cycle in looking at H1, if there's a new cycle of resistance to sell, then I think that's also pretty good. Okay, I think that will be pretty good as well. Okay, so PAUD Aussie looks good to sell also, but the thing is that over in this PAUD Aussie, look very carefully in these 4 hours. Maybe it will happen on the second half as well. All right, so PAUD Aussie, I'm going to put into my list as well. Okay, all right, so take note of this PAUD Aussie. Okay, so right now, let's see rest PAUD. Okay, let's take a look at PAUD. Well, PAUD, we are actually in the bear retracement, ended, come back to retest the support, which yesterday has tested, and it's feared break. However, does that mean we can start selling? We do have good space to sell. Okay, we do have. But please be very careful. Please be very careful, because by reading this, there's a support right at the bottom here and becoming a higher support. Okay, now it has becoming a higher support over here. That means it will go higher to test on the resistance, a higher resistance up there. Is it good to sell right now in between? I would say that probably yes. Okay, but the thing is that there's too many support along the way. Okay, for the retesting, like here has already one. As you can see, there's one here. So actually, the space, by looking at this, the space over here, we only left about 15 pips. Okay, PAUD. Okay, PAUD is moving in this situation that I will not take into a consideration for selling right now. Okay, so I guess we need to give this a miss. Okay, so let's give this a miss first. All right, so PAUD franc. What about PAUD franc? Let's take a look at PAUD franc. PAUD franc, we have been retesting this support area, right? And finally, it has changed the direction. Well, going to the bull market, correct? It's going to the bull market now. So tentatively, I would say that PAUD franc, I will be looking for a buy rather than to sell. Okay, the buying signal is stronger than the selling signal. So PAUD franc, I will look for a buy. All right. Okay, so buyers can take note of PAUD franc, but sellers stay away. Okay. What about PAUD yen? PAUD Pound yen, as we can see, pound yen, we are still taking the right to the moon. So tentatively, no for selling. All right. So buyers, you can also take note. Sellers, we have to stay away. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Then let's move into pound kiwi. Pound kiwi. All right. So as for pound kiwi, now we are at the verge of either turning up for a buy or coming down for a sell. So currently, by looking at this, we are on the resistance level. We are on the resistance level. So on this resistance level, will there be a chance for us to sell? It looks good, huh? It really looks good. Okay, let me see. Okay, so now the selling here, the resistance is here, but the support is also nearby. So taking a look at this area, we have about 50 pips to go. All right, so 50, yes. Okay, so over here, pound kiwi. Okay, let's look at pound kiwi. So pound kiwi over here, let's wait for a new resistance. I think the new resistance is pretty obvious. We are now on the resistance area, am I right? Okay. So currently now, well, let's look at this. Since we're on the resistance already, if there's a chance, okay, for us to sell below the resistance, I guess that would be pretty good. However, by looking at this support here, the resistance is not very clear right here. I would say that probably we need to wait for a higher one. Okay, then yeah, there will be a higher one. Okay, so 1 2 go. Yeah, so over here, huh? Wow, quite far away, huh? Okay. All right, so this will be a very promising to me. Okay, this pound kiwi, I have, by looking at this, I have a very promising retracement onto the resistance here. Okay, this part here. So I think pound Aussie, pound kiwi. If I'm going to trade, I need a little bit of patience before I start selling. Okay, so however, pound kiwi, I would say that today is good to. Probably good to give it a miss. Okay, so yep, let's move on to pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar over here. Let's see what do we have for pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. Okay, we are back to the support. Okay, we are back to the support area and it's not breaking. Yesterday I was thinking that probably after you break the support, I will have chance to sell, but it doesn't break. So coming over to today. Okay, by looking at this part here, the support here, it has been tested once, tested again. Okay, so I think this support is pretty strong. Although we have a lower resistance towards the support area, but today it seems like it tested it and it failed. Yes, we have lower resistance indeed. We have lower resistance over in this pound dollar in day one that are actually giving us a trend of selling. Okay, and also it's very obvious that giving us a trend that the selling has met up with a support area and now it's still moving towards the resistance. So resistance remains the same, no change, and sorry, there's some okay, slightly below. Okay, so right now the resistance is to the support is 46 pip. Okay, it's 46 pip. So in this case, 46 pips. All right, we do have some chance in between when there's a chance to sell. Okay, so probably I think we can also take note of this. But then again, okay, remember if it actually break the resistance area, then I think we have to give this a miss. Okay, all right. So currently is looking at this is retracement trading. Right now by trading down this GU pound dollar is I would say although we have the space, but honestly speaking, looking at this movement here, I'm not very keen because H1 is actually in the retracement and showing that it's in the retracement, starting a new cycle, but starting a new cycle to sell. It has been supported by the white line. So probably I would say, although the space is pretty good, pretty good, about 25 pips, but I'm not very keen in this because it's a retracement. This is the area of retracement. The retracement is it shows it shows that there's a troops candle over here, which is very strong into a bull market. So probably today, in these next 2 hours, probably it may build up a higher support, a higher low, and you will continue the bull run. Okay, so this can be also dangerous. All right, since that's the case, I'm going to skip this pound dollar. Okay, but however, if it comes back, okay, and break the support, of course we are going to trade on the second half of the day. Okay, all right. So let's move again. Dollar CAD. Okay, guys, give me a while. Let me have a sip of water. Okay, now let's come back here. Dollar CAD over here. Well, dollar CAD. Yes, yesterday we chosen dollar CAD. Okay, but it actually went up again without breaking the support. Then it went up, and until today we are still in the bear trend. Today is the selling, okay, of the resistance remains the same. Support, then maybe a slight change. Okay, so over here there's one support already. So this support is a higher support created, okay, yesterday. Okay. And by looking at this is a very concrete support. So it must break this support so that it will have a good chance to go down to this support of 36 pips. So we are pretty near. Yes, we are very near. So dollar CAD, I'm going to put this into my watch list again. Okay, I'm going to put this into my watch list. But make sure, dollar CAD, you must break the support. You must break the support before you can start selling. Okay. So can I buy? I would say I prefer not to buy. Okay, because it's in the bear trend. So I think currently still looking for it to break the support with a new resistance below. Then we start selling. All right. Okay. So how about dollar franc? Dollar franc, very obvious. We are on the bull. So buyers can take note. Okay. Sellers, we have to stay away. Okay. What about dollar yen? Okay, dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. Dollar yen. Yes, you are right, Roger. Yes, it's in the bull. Okay. So this is the bull run. So definitely buyers, you can continue to buy, and sellers, we have to stay away. Okay. Seller have to stay away definitely. Okay. So this is to play safe. You don't sell and buy at the same time. It doesn't make sense. So dollar yen over here. I will prefer to give it a miss. Okay, for selling. But buyers, please take note. Okay, buyers can take note. Then buying signal is coming. Okay, buying signal is coming already. But take note of the resistance level, which is about 70 pips. About 70 there about. Okay, so buyers can take note, but sellers, please stay away. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin, I guess are pretty good. Okay, so now still moving towards our direction that we want. Okay, yeah, okay, and I think this is still good. Okay, yesterday it actually was about 4.0. Am I right? Yesterday was about 4.0 when I was talking about it. Okay, so I think I will still wait for it. Okay. The buying is there already. Okay, the buying is there. It's coming soon. Very waiting for it to actually rocket up. Okay. So over here, still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting to see if there's any chance. Okay, I think currently there will be chance that buying of this Bitcoin is still good. Okay, so if you have already buy. Oh yeah, Aiden, you buy in already? Okay. 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 Okay, so since you bought it in 41, okay. I see 41.1. Okay, so that means it's about $200 now. Okay, so okay, I think that's pretty good. Good profits. Still holding on, right? I hope you're still holding on to it. Okay, so still because right now if I'm going to analyze this Bitcoin, okay, I will be looking at buying only. Okay, once again, highlight this. Of currency, I will be selling, but for Bitcoin, I will be buying. Okay, I'm going flowing with the nature. Okay, so now, since this is on the buying side, if it's now to buy, I guess there may be some turbulence. So I will say that probably let's for people who already bought in, like Aiden, oh Roger, you also okay, Riano also okay, okay. So yes, then I think this one we can continue to hold it first. Okay, so 42. Let's look at 42. Okay, so before we actually take any action. Okay, all right. So yep. Okay, so Bitcoin, it is still in moving to the north. I think it's still pretty good. All right, so let's take a look. What do we have here? I think today we don't really have a lot, so it's also good for us to focus. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, okay, we have we are going to sell Euro Kiwi, Pound Aussie, and Dollar CAD. All right, so I guess all these are pretty. I think we have only 3 currency pairs. Wow, it's all except for Dollar CAD, the rest are all minor. Okay, so just take note. Okay, especially like Pound Aussie, Euro Kiwi, these 2 currency pairs, the spread is a bit high. Okay, so just take note. Okay, grab and go if possible. Okay, make it a fast one. Okay, all right. So that's about all today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell to get the latest update from me. From every day, whenever I go live, you'll be notified. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I shall wish you good luck in your trading with bountiful of profits. And this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.